guys, and welcome to the second episode of Prepping for Christmas. Today I wanted to bake something, so we're gonna make gingerbread cookies and these Christmas pastries. They're made out of puff pastry, and you put jam in the middle, and they are so delicious. So we're gonna make those and use a few different techniques. Obviously, we're gonna drink some glögg. We always drink glögg in Finland in the Christmas time, so obviously we have to do it today. So yeah, let's get to baking and follow along and let's get started. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed the Christmas treats that we made. We have been renovating like crazy in the last few weeks, and the downstairs area is looking kind of like a home, which is weird still. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!